Wait. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today with the new gaming chair, and this is the SHARKOON Elbrus Model 2. So now that you've seen some images of me assembling it, it was very easy. As easy as to purchase a budget key for your Windows 10, Windows 11 or Office 2021 on B&H Software, which is the sponsor of this video, but it's a platform that we have tested many times before purchasing and activating Windows and Office. So if you're looking for a budget key, I will leave a link down below so that you can get it. Now, if you want a gaming chair, this is honestly so far the best gaming chair that I've had. I've had quite a few, but this one, in terms of the build quality, in terms of comfort, is, to me, feels better. It is quite heavy, but in terms of build quality, it is worth it, the weight that we carry around. Assembly was quite easy. It comes really well packed, and basically I did assemble first the wheels and then the seat, and then I put the back part of the seat and some screws. Everything is on the manual, so I don't know, probably 30 minutes, but of course I was playing around with recording my Portuguese video, which I will leave a link right over here just in case you want to check that old video, which is always a little bit more complete. But what matters is that my experience so far, which is limited. If you come back in a few weeks and you ask me how it's behaving, I will be able to answer in a better manner, as I usually do with all the products that I review. The thing that I do love the most is the synthetic leather that it has. It is made of a much higher quality than what I'm used to use on other gaming chairs that I have. This one is at this moment with the best build quality so far. Really well designed, and in terms of comfort, it is really comfortable. I do feel that it's wider than my previous chair, and I do feel that it has more cushion. It's not a very soft cushion, it is a comfortable cushion. We will feel a lot better, and although I'm not complaining of my past chair, which has been great for me, this is even better in terms of comfort. I do really feel when I sit that it is comfortable, and it has a great feeling on the back and also on the lumbar, especially for those that, like myself, spending a lot of time, a lot of hours on front of a computer, in front of anything at the desk. By the way, in terms of adjustments on the arms, we can put them down or up, and we can adjust them on sideways. If I put them down, I can go full, I can put the chair under the desk without any issues, and if I put it up, it will be about 1 centimeter away from the edge of my desk, which means that I will be really comfortable using my arms on the armrest and also on the desk without any issues whatsoever. It's 1 centimeter. I have 69 centimeters of height on my desk, so you can make the calculations. But there is one factor here that I'm forgetting, which is I can put the chair up. And honestly, this is one of the funniest things that I want to share with you. It goes really high, and I've got 1.74 meters of height, and if I put it on the maximum and if I sit back, my feet will not touch the floor, which is something really nice in my opinion, because it will be able to be used by taller people than me, which is not unusual, and for smaller people. So this is one of the factors that I was not having in consideration, which is if I lower right now, and this if there's someone a little bit taller than me, it is right on the same level, which I believe that it's probably not the best case scenario. I believe that it's better to have it a little bit lower than the desk so that we have a small angle. Feedback in general is comfort, well built, easy to assemble like any other chair, with the advantage that the instructions are very clear and the screws are all labeled, so it was very friendly, very easy. And you guys that follow the channel, you know that usually I don't read manuals. In this particular case, I did read it just to make sure that I was doing everything fine. Now, there is one thing that might be interesting or not. I've got a door right over here, and I had to put in the chair to this side. And if you are wondering, yes, we can remove completely the arms, if that's one of the things that you are wondering. And we can also, besides removing, we can adjust it and put them a little, I would say 1 centimeter inside, both of them 1 centimeter inside. So we can adjust it a little bit to this side right over here, which might be important for some of you. Probably I will adjust mine as well so that I have my arms a little bit closer, which will give me a little bit more comfortable, but I will have to try that. That being said, guys, this is it. This is the new chair of the setup. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.